M5 Mac Mini. Forget everything you know about compact computing. The M5 chip is rumored to be a total performance monster, shifting Apple's focus entirely toward local artificial intelligence. We're looking at a redesigned neural engine built specifically to handle massive language models directly on your desk. This means your Mac Mini won't just be fast. It'll be proactive, predicting your workflow before you even click a button. For the power users, the M5 Pro variant is expected to bridge the gap between the Mini and the Mac Studio, offering workstation-level performance in a frame that practically disappears on your desk. But Apple isn't stopping at the desk. The living room is getting a massive upgrade with the next-generation Apple TV 4K. This isn't just for Netflix anymore. Leaks suggest it will house an A18 chip with hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Apple is finally turning the Apple TV into a legitimate gaming console, aiming directly at the casual gaming market with graphics that rival dedicated hardware. Combine that with a new Home Hub interface, and your TV becomes the brain of your entire smart home. The iPad lineup is also set for a shockwave. We are finally expecting the iPad Mini OLED. No more jelly scrolling, just deep blacks and vibrant colors in the palm of your hand. To go with it, a new Apple Pencil is coming, featuring advanced haptic feedback that actually mimics the friction of a graphite pencil on paper. For those on a budget, the MacBook Neo is the rumor that won't go away. A sleek, ultra-thin laptop designed to bring the MacBook experience to students and casual users at a price point that finally challenges the Chromebook. We're also looking at the AirTag 2, featuring a new ultra-wideband chip that triples the tracking range and a long-awaited studio display light, a 27-inch 5K monitor that brings pro-level visuals to a much more affordable price bracket. Finally, the AirPods Max are expected to get their USB-C transformation, alongside the H2 chip for ultra-low latency lossless audio. This May event is shaping up to be a 7-minute whirlwind of one more thing moments. Apple is moving faster than ever, and with the M5 chip leading the charge, the competition is about to be left in the dust. The future of the ecosystem is here, and it's more powerful than we ever imagined. Apple's next Mac Mini is already generating attention months before launch. Industry leaks suggest Mac Mini M5 could debut during WWDC 2026, bringing a major jump in AI performance. If the reports hold true, Apple may be preparing its smallest desktop Mac for more serious professional workloads instead of treating it as just an entry-level machine. WWDC 2026 launch looks increasingly likely. Multiple industry reports point toward a June 2026 unveiling during Apple's annual WWDC event. Bloomberg's Mark Gurman earlier indicated that Apple plans to roll out the M5 chip family across Macs in mid-2026, and Mac Mini appears to be part of the first wave. The current M4 Mac Mini was launched in late 2024. A mid-2026 update would keep the company's desktop lineup on its usual schedule. For UAE buyers, Apple products generally arrive within weeks after global launches. If Apple announces the device in June, retail availability in the UAE could begin by July 2026 through stores like iStyle and Sharif DG. M5 and M5 Pro could expand the Mini's positioning. The biggest reported change is the introduction of two chip variants. Leaks from analyst Ming-Chi Kuo suggest Apple will offer both standard M5 and M5 Pro models. The base M5 chip is expected to feature up to 10 CPU cores and 12 GPU cores. The M5 Pro variant could push much further with up to 14 CPU cores and 20 GPU cores. Apple is reportedly prioritizing AI performance this generation. That could improve local AI tasks like video enhancement, voice processing, and on-device language models. The entry-level configuration may finally start at 16 GB instead of 8 GB. Higher-end M5 Pro variants could support up to 64 GB of memory. Faster storage and higher performance expected. Benchmark leaks suggest CPU performance gains between 25% and 30% over the current M4 model. GPU-heavy tasks may see even bigger improvements. Storage speeds are also expected to improve sharply. Reports claim Apple is using newer SSD controllers capable of much faster read speeds than the current generation. Pricing, however, may rise slightly. Analysts estimate the base model could start around NDAD 2,499, AD 2,699 in the UAE, while M5 Pro versions may reach AD 5,499. Apple appears to be positioning Mac Mini closer to workstations without moving into Mac Studio pricing. This creates a new middle category for buyers who want compact hardware but still need professional-grade performance. If Apple executes this correctly, Mac Mini may stop being viewed as the budget Mac and become a serious desktop option for creators and AI-focused workflows. Rumors are swirling around the 2026 Mac Mini, as Apple appears to be preparing its next update to one of its most compact and affordable Macs. While the company has not officially confirmed anything, multiple reports suggest a refresh powered by new M5 series chips could arrive sometime in the first half of 2026. Expectations were high for an announcement during Apple's early March events, but the Mac Mini was notably absent. Instead, Apple introduced the M5 Pro chip, fueling speculation that the desktop update is still on the way, possibly around the company's annual developer conference in June. According to Macworld, an early to mid-2026 launch seems likely, with a debut around WWDC in June a strong possibility. Stock shortages raise questions. In recent weeks, the availability of higher-end Mac Mini configurations has sharply declined. Several models with 32 gigabytes and 64 gigabytes of RAM have disappeared entirely from Apple's online store, listed as currently unavailable with no delivery timeline. The Next Web reports that Mac Mini configurations with 32 gigabytes and 64 gigabytes of RAM are listed as currently unavailable on Apple's US online store, with no estimated delivery date and no path to ordering. This situation has sparked two main theories. Apple could be clearing out inventory ahead of a new release, or it may be struggling with a broader industry-wide shortage of memory components. Macworld reports that these chips will focus heavily on graphics and AI performance. The M5 introduces a redesigned GPU with dedicated AI hardware, while the M5 Pro is expected to use a new Fusion architecture combining multiple dies for improved performance. Early benchmarks from M5-powered laptops suggest notable gains. Macworld says GPU performance could be up to 45% faster than the M4, while certain AI tasks may run up to 3.5 times faster. Specs and features. Incremental but meaningful. Beyond the processor, the 2026 Mac Mini is expected to receive modest but practical upgrades. Base memory likely to remain at 16 gigabytes. Entry-level storage could double to 512 gigabytes. Support for faster SSD speeds. Possible addition of Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6 pricing remains uncertain. Apple's pricing strategy for the new Mac Mini is still unclear. The current model starts at $599, but there are signs that costs could increase. Macworld notes that the starting price could rise by around $100/$100 if Apple follows recent trends seen in its MacBook lineup, where higher base storage came with a price bump. However, factors such as shifting production to the US and competitive pressure from other low-cost Macs could influence the final pricing decision. Refresh or supply crisis. The situation remains ambiguous for now. The sudden disappearance of high-end models, rising prices for memory upgrades, and extended shipping delays all point to mounting supply pressure. At the same time, similar patterns have preceded Apple product launches in the past. A status of currently unavailable normally means that the product is about to be removed from the configurator entirely, according to 9to5Mac. Whether this signals an imminent M5-powered refresh or simply reflects deeper supply chain challenges may become clearer in the coming months, possibly as early as Apple's next major event. Bloomberg reports that Apple has reached late-stage testing on AirPods with built-in cameras, a device that would give Siri a way to interpret a user's surroundings. The product would give Apple a more concrete AI hardware play as tech companies race to build assistants that can understand the world around them. The question is whether earbuds are the right place for cameras at all. The hardware may be close, but Siri still has to catch up. The earbuds appear to be well past the interesting idea stage. Prototypes now have a near-final design and feature set, and the project has entered design validation testing. the last major development phase before Apple begins producing early mass production units. Apple had planned to ease the device as early as the first half of this year, but the timeline slipped after delays to its revamped Siri. The Assistant upgrade is now targeted for September, after Apple worked Google's Gemini technology into the underlying models. The launch now depends on whether Siri can turn limited visual input into responses that feel quick, accurate, and natural. If those features are not ready, the product could be pushed back again. Cameras for Siri, not selfies. The cameras would not turn AirPods into tiny point-and-shoots. They would function more like sensors, providing Siri with low-resolution visual context of the wearer's surroundings. A user could glance at ingredients on a counter and ask what to make for dinner. During a walk, Siri could refer to a landmark ahead instead of only a street name. The feature could also support reminders based on what the earbuds detect nearby. The cameras would sit in both earbuds, with longer stems to accommodate the hardware. Otherwise, the product is expected to look similar to the AirPods Pro 3.